Ilka, and I am a student at Framingham State University with a concentration in dietetics, and I'm also the author of the HealthyDome.com website. And I'm here today because I wanted to emphasize the importance of some nutrients that are responsible for cognitive function and memory retention. These nutrients provide a basis for hormones, proteins, fatty acids to aid in carrying out many functions in the body that, when compromised, can cause certain diseases such as Alzheimer's, depression, schizophrenia, dementia, dyslexia, ADD, ADHD, and many more. So the most important dietary lipid necessary for neurogenesis, which means the generation of new brain cells, is the omega-3. Deficiency of this fatty acid causes impaired learning and memory loss. Usually found in foods such as fish, nuts, eggs, chia seeds, and flaxseed. Folate is another one that is very important. It is generated by the liver once vitamin B is absorbed, and it is important for preventing cognitive decline during aging, and also aids in child development in the early stages of pregnancy. So these are found in foods such as spinach, oranges, and yeast. Some vitamins that are antioxidants, such as vitamin C, E, and A, they delay cognitive decline in the elderly by relieving oxidative stress, which causes inflammation. Vitamin C is found in citrus fruits. Vitamin E is found in walnuts. And then you have vitamin A, which is found in carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. The increase of iron, copper, and selenium, they aid in slowing down the effects of Alzheimer's disease and other diseases related to cognitive degradation. So these are mostly found in foods such as oysters, molasses, cocoa, black pepper, beans, etc. So there are a few minerals like calcium and zinc that cannot be consumed in large quantities because it impairs cognitive function and produces decay in elders. You have the saturated fats, which are a major link to Alzheimer's disease because of their ability to promote plaque buildup in the brain, causing inflammation and degradation of brain matter, which need to be completely highly moderated because a high animal-based diet will increase the chances for you to have these symptoms happening for you. So one thing to take in mind is that, we have to consider that our body will not heal unless we give it time and the necessary tools to continue its functions. We can't expect a car to run on oil when it needs gasoline. So with that being said, I hope you guys take this into consideration. Hope you found this information helpful for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.